Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of FOODGLAM. Today we are going to make crispy kurkure pasta. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And without wasting time, let's get started. For this recipe, I am taking 100 grams of pasta. You can take less or more according to your preference. Now I am going to boil this pasta. For that I am boiling some water. Once the water starts boiling, I am going to add a little salt and little oil. Then I am adding pasta. And cook it for 10 to 12 minutes until it's 80% done. Now I am going to strain the pasta and remove excess water. When excess water is removed and pasta is completely dry, I am adding 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon corn flour and coat the pasta well. Now I am going to deep fry the pasta. For that I am heat the oil, add pasta in it and deep fry it. After frying is completed, remove the excess oil from the pasta and take it in a bowl. Now I am going to add some masala in it, which is 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon Amchur Powder, 1 teaspoon Chilli Flakes and 1 teaspoon black salt, and mix well with the fried pasta. Shake it properly to mix all the spices with the pasta. You can see how beautifully coated each and every pasta with the spices. Now your crispy crunchy pasta kurkure is ready. Kids will love this. Please try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.